Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2021 Cadillac XT6 and we're going to do the lower lip installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the lower lip. It's just your regular chrome panel design, and this is how it looks after the installation. And for this installation we're going to use the gloss black material. That way we change the appearance of the chrome panel and also gives it a more sportier look. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. So before we start with the installation for the lower lip, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So to prep it, all we need to do is apply water and baby shampoo inside a spray bottle. Once you have your solution, spray it onto a clean microfiber towel and just make sure you remove any contaminants that the panel may have. And then once you finish cleaning and prepping the panel, make sure everything is completely dry afterwards. That way the adhesive on the film sticks better to the panel, because if there's still any moisture left over and if the adhesive touches that area where it's still wet, then the film will not stick even if you're applying heat. So make sure everything's completely dry before you start with the installation. So when you have your set, you are going to notice it is a two-piece installation. The only thing with this one you have to keep in mind is when you install it, it does not cover all of the panel underneath, because it is a big piece underneath the panel here. So it's only going to cover what is visible on the front and a little bit what's visible underneath. So to start the installation, align it right underneath the edge here. So align it on the curve and just follow the design of the panel until you reach it to the edge. So the edge there, follow the design of the panel, and if you need to lift to readjust it, you can, and it should reach the middle here. So be careful not to crease the film where you see the air bubbles like those. You want to take your time in aligning the film. Once you place the film, you would grab your squeegee and start tacking down the flat surface here first. Make sure you remove all of the air that's trapped behind the film. And there is a small gap right here in the panel. You can trim off the excess material if you have any on top here. And now we're going to grab our heat gun, apply heat around the edge here. That way we help release the tension of the film and helping it tack down underneath. Because if we just tack down like this, we're going to crease it since it still has tension because of the curve. So we want to release the tension with heat, and then once it cools off, tack it down. So once you have your heat gun, start applying heat around the curved area here, also around here, like I mentioned, to help release the tension of the film. Let the film cool, and then with your squeegee, help it tack down. Start from the curved area and work your way out. So here and then here. And if you feel you have a little bit of too much excess material underneath, you could trim it off. Rather than that, it should be fine. And now trim off the excess material on top. Just be careful with your blade. Find the small gap and trim off the excess material. So once you finish trimming off the excess material, we would come back, grab our heat gun, and just help it tack down around the panel. And then the same steps that were done here, you would just rinse and repeat to this piece. And then once you're done, we will come back and post heat the entire panel. So now that we finished with installation on both ends, now the last thing to do is to post heat the entire panel. So to post heat, all you need to do is apply heat all around the film, making sure you help the adhesive activate faster. And if there's any film still lifting around the edges or on top, just help it tack down. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the lower lip chrome delete installation for the 2021 Cadillac XT6. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.